Okay, so here's what we got so far. I still gonna fasten this so it gives a good handle there. It's all uniform. The eyepiece section, I used a bigger piece and got that on. And yep, a few more. I'm gonna sand this, and I think I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna sand this, and I might put a little piece of rubber to match this around the radius of this, just so it's aesthetically pleasing. But as you can see, the monstrosity it is. About 8 feet tall, and this is actually the mirror that needs to be cleaned, and then it goes in on that sling. So yep.